Right now, we are going to talk about something that is famous for being in all kinds of prophecies, most notably the Mayan prophecy of 2012.
But it has yet to happen.
Right now, we are going to talk about the pole shift.
This is a theory that wasn't just prophesied by the Mayans, it was also predicted by some famous scientists such as Albert Einstein.
Instead of talking about the prophecies, we will talk about the science behind it.
And the pole shift is an event where the Earth axis changes and the poles relocate themselves.
But when the axis of the Earth changes, the Earth will need to rearrange itself and adjust to its changes.
While the adjustment is happening, worldwide catastrophes will take place, such as stronger hurricanes, massive earthquakes, huge tsunamis, and increased volcanic activity.
And some land will be underwater, and some land will be added. And in the end, the whole entire map of the Earth will have to be redrawn. So just imagine Iran being underwater, and there could be new islands in the Pacific.
And also, with areas changing latitude and longitude, desert regions could become very tropical, whereas tropical regions could become a desert.
Many scientists say this has happened before.
Think about it.
Most people have already heard that the seven continents were once all together. Then they separated. Why?
Something happened. Do you think it was a series of pole shifts that split all seven continents?
The first one to bring up the pole shift theory was a man named Joseph Adamar in 1852. He stated that too much ice in the poles, accumulation of ice mass, will throw the Earth off balance and it will cause a pole shift, so bringing the equator where the poles are and the poles to the equator.
Albert Einstein also stated that the ice mass on the poles overaccumulated and destabilized the poles.
Einstein stated that this happens every 30,000 years, while some other scientists say the last one happened 12,000 or even 700,000 years ago.
And some scientists say that the accumulation of ice in the poles won't cause the pole shift. Some say that it will be an impact from a fairly large asteroid or comet.
Another cause of such would be when a large metallic object flies close enough to Earth. When that happens, the magnetic force of the object will unbalance the Earth.
This is an event that could happen either thousands of years from now or one day from now.
And let's hope that the prophecies of people like the Mayans are wrong.